Evangelina, made!
Analysis bot, what do you think will happen with this one?
It will fight a bit, then die.
Again?
Again.
Victory!
The lone test robot falls.
Its consciousness is not unique. We will make another one.
Analysis bot, what upgrade is the best to tackle the next challenge?
When you are surrounded by robots with swords, you need to not get hit by their attacks. Blocking or kicking is very effective against sword robots.
We will see what the human chooses.
Goodbye.
Victory!
The human won.
Very promising.
Perhaps this one will take longer to die. Analysis bot, how do you fight archers?
Don't turn your back to them, unless you want an arrow in it.
A valuable lesson.
Goodbye.
Victory!
The human avoided the arrows.
More will come. What are some good tactics for fighting both archers and sword robots?
Do not turn your back on the archers. It only takes one arrow to kill you.
Good advice for the human.
Victory!
This human is pretty good.
I wonder if the next one will get as far.
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out. Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Fellow robots, we have captured a few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000. Victory!
Spidertron 5000 was defeated.
Yes, a shame. Now we introduce Mark to sword robots.
Human fact.
Go ahead.
Some are named Mark.
Are they better than ones not named Mark?
No.
Confusing. defeated all the sword robots.
A surprising outcome.
Analysis bot, what is better than Spidertron 5000?
To Spidertron 5000.
Impressive.
Spidertron 5000 will be back.
Let's hope this human has perished by then. And now, time for the Mark III combat archer.
The human stands no chance. These archers also carry a sword.
And have you seen them move?
This will be over quickly.
Victory!
The human defeated the archers.
An impressive achievement.
This is a talented human.
Well done.
Coming up, an overwhelming number of sword robots.
Quantity is sometimes better than quality.
Indeed.
Victory!
Very nice.
All the swordsmen died.
The next battle is going to be very interesting.
Sometimes quality is better than quantity.
Indeed.
The human stands no chance against the Mark III sword robot.
Finally, someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots. Eliminate by human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing around the garbage room.
I thought it wanted to eat the garbage.
What a devious human.
It will not get far.
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this.